Alright, for the next home project around the house, I'm going to go ahead and add this 521 compressor saver onto my 3-ton Trane AC unit outside. Went ahead and already changed out the cap, and I will be using this battery terminal protector on it after I get this unit installed, because around here near salt water, this is what can happen to a capacitor in a very short period of time. So we'll be putting the terminal protector on there to hopefully prevent that from happening. So let's go on outside and hook this stuff up. Be back. Alright, today's home project is putting in the 521 compressor saver. And basically all you have is 3 bars to worry about. The black for the common, the yellow striped for the start, and the red for the run. And it's just a question of finding available room inside the carcass of the air conditioner. Make sure you turn the power off to the air conditioner. Make sure you de-energize the capacitor if you feel you need to. And then just hook it up. And there we go over here, hooked up. I'm not going to get into a long-winded video about stripping everything out and showing every air conditioner is different, so you're just going to have to figure that out on your own. But basically, find available space to put the hard start, the relay, 3 wires to worry about. You got a red, you got a black, and you got the yellow striped. Yellow striped goes up to the capacitor into your hermetic. The red wire goes to your common. Fan, forget that, nothing goes to the fan. And the black wire goes over here to your contactor, and it goes right in to your common. And that's it. That's all you got to do. The only other thing about this relay down here, it has to be facing upward. Right at the screw port is 12 o'clock. So once you get that set in, everything should be golden. And that's it. That's all it takes. Till next time, later on. See you.